This is kind of cool what I can do here. So I'm on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, waiting for my car to be serviced. And I can prop up my phone and use the awesome camera that is on the backside, which is the best camera, and sit here and do an unboxing of this guy. This is a awesome battery pack, probably one of the best that you will find online right now, because this can input and charge a 100 watts in and 100 watts out, and have multi-variable voltage in and out. It's pretty cool. This is something that is good for a lot of geeks. As you can see over here, it actually has an operating system that you can use by utilizing just basically one button on there. So you got multiple variable outputs and also inputs. It's got a really cool tech look, so if that's something that you're into, this is it right here. Check this out. I don't think it comes with any charge, but let's see if I can power it on. Yeah, so this is powering on right now, and it actually comes at 68%. So this is going to be a little bit challenging for certain people to see, because it's a pretty small screen. What do you expect? It's a battery pack, right? It's got aluminum on the sides over here, and this little ABS clear plastic in here, and you can see the batteries in here as well. Now it comes with a USB-C fast charging cable, and it also comes with a case here. Now the version that I backed on Kickstarter actually came with some DC cables and stuff. That was a special exclusive version that came with some extras. This is all it came with, but the very fact that this lets you see everything that's going on, in case there's something going on with the unit, you can actually visibly see if there's any issues over here, at least on this side, not on this side and not on this side. Now I've actually had one of these packs for a period of time now, and I gave another one over to my brother, and he's using it. We really liked it. It's really about as good as you can get in terms of a battery pack, except for the number of ports. Here's where it's a little bit negative. This is a DC output jack. There is one input jack here, which is USB-C. This is USB-A output, and this is a USB-C output as well. So you can have a maximum of 100 watts in, and you could use the power coming out. You can charge it and use it at the same time. Now, a lot of times when I'm traveling, though, I find that I'm often needing a little bit more ports. So the fact that this only has 2 usable ports if you're charging at the same time versus a couple more is a little bit of a negative. But I suppose, that's something that you get with something that is something this small. I like the fact that over here, they actually let the TSA know that this is actually within regulation, current regulation as of 2022 right now, which means that it is under 100 watt hours total. It's actually, it says right here, 93.5 watt hours. 93.5 watt hours, and it has some information on there so that they can actually look it up and check for themselves. So I'm actually very happy with this. It's actually somewhat shock resistant. I know this because my brother had used this on a bike trip to keep his phone charged, and unfortunately he stuck it on a bicycle cage, and so it fell down a couple of times, and it still managed to survive. So that's something to be said about that. One negative also that I found is that it makes a little bit of noise when it is regulating the power that comes out. So it's a little bit of a high-pitched noise. Someone probably really old or older who's lost a little bit of the higher frequency hearing probably can't hear it too well. Interestingly enough, for me, being 44, I'm able to hear a little bit, so it bugs me a little bit too. So it's kind of a little bit annoying for me. I guess that's one main negative thing. But that's what you get for something that has adjustable variable output from this DC port right here. And this is a standard DC 5.5 millimeter. This is something that you can find just about anywhere and get adapters for it. In fact, I can have the links down below if you're interested, but it'll allow you to adjust the voltage and the power coming out from it. And that's something that you will not find in most energy storage battery pack units. Okay, so this is a quick little overview over there. I have a link down below for this in case you're interested, and I think this makes a really great gift for just about anybody who's into batteries or just needs to travel with a battery pack. Alright, that's it for this video. Please give it a like, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.